Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how I will co-wash and then install wig from RPGSHOW. Gorgeous kinky wig. This is how the wig came. It came with a wig cap, came with an elastic band that I will sew to the wig. It also came with a magazine, how to style a wig, which is very nice. And this is the details of the wig. This is their gorgeous diamond 001G wig. The texture of the wig is Ombre kinky silky. The length is 20 inches, and the color, the ends of the wig, like as you guys can see right now, is a little bit ombre. And then why the density is 200. And there is a lace front wig. Came with combs, 2 combs at the side, 1 at the back, as you guys can see, making 3 combs. It also came with an adjustable straps. And then this is their lace front machine weaving. You can see it's stretched, and what I will do is to go ahead and cut off the excess lace gently. I will sew in an elastic band to the wig, and you remember earlier on that the elastic band came with the wig. What I will do now is to go ahead and condition the wig with serious conditioner. I don't usually use shampoo on my coily wigs. I usually use only conditioner. I will just condition the wig properly and comb the wig. Wait for some minutes, rinse off the conditioner, and then before I will allow the wig to dry. And then the shading I got is minimal, which is very nice. And then I will just allow the wig to dry up, and there you can see it's looking very gorgeous. This is after 1 week that I co-washed the wig. What I will do now is just to place the wig on my head, and then I will not be applying no glue, no gel. I will just be placing the wig on my head just for you guys to see the finished look. The wig is very full, and you can see I did use nothing. I just put on a wig cap, and you can see how the wig is looking natural, and then the part is looking natural. As you guys can see, I did plucked the parts, and then you can see I love the fullness of the wig, and then the kinky is so nice and soft. That this wig can be styled in many different ways. I can shift the part to middle part. I can do all back because it's a lace front wig, and I can also apply glue on my forehead and just glue it down so that it will be looking more natural. So I'm even styling the baby hairs. I did applied no glue, no gel, and you can see how the wig is still looking natural. I love this wig. I love everything about the wig. If you are looking for natural looking kinky wig, it's very full. If you want something like that is not too full, I would advise you to go for 150 density. This one is quite full because it's 200 density. Don't forget that this wig is from RPGSHOW, and that this is their gorgeous kinky silky ombre wig, and the lace front 20 inches. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I featured in this video will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share it with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.